Huh? Gosh, mister. Oh, these kids are driving me crazy. How could they run away again? Huh? Well, these two don't take them very far. They're actually still inside my factory. It's only a matter of time before I find them.